Can you get a divorce in San Diego without an attorney? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're considering divorce in San Diego County, you might be wondering, do you really need to hire an attorney? The answer is no, you don't need an attorney to get divorced in California, especially if your case is amicable. California law allows for self-representation in divorce, which means you can handle the process without ever stepping foot in a lawyer's office. In fact, many couples who are in agreement on all major issues like property division, support, and parenting are excellent candidates for a non-attorney, flat-fee divorce service like ours. The challenge isn't the law, it's the paperwork. The divorce process in San Diego still requires you to file the right documents at the right time in the right format. There are strict court rules, and even small mistakes can lead to delays or rejections. That's where many people get stuck. We helped a couple recently who thought they had finalized their divorce, only to learn months later that their judgment was rejected due to a missing form. They contacted us, and we quickly reviewed and corrected everything, got it filed properly, and their divorce was finalized shortly after. At Divorce661, we've handled thousands of divorce cases just like yours. We take care of all the forms, filing, and follow-up, so you don't have to worry about figuring it out yourself or making costly mistakes. And because everything is handled remotely, you never need to go to court. If you're looking for a faster, easier, and more affordable way to get divorced in San Diego without hiring an attorney, visit Divorce661.com and book a free consultation. We'll show you how to get through the process simply, stress-free, and with confidence.